Hello, my name is Candace Birch. I am a registered nurse in the emergency room, and today I wanted to demonstrate some skills on how to be an effective nursing leader. I want you to be able to demonstrate time management skills, use excellent communication, and also be able to demonstrate to your staff that you are an excellent nurse leader. I feel that all nurses are good leaders, they just have a different aspect of showing things. You, as a nurse leader, should demonstrate confidence to your other staff. Even if you're just a nurse on the floor, you should be able to demonstrate to your staff that you know how to do things and you are able to take care of your patient. With this video, I want to be able to provide you some aspects to show how to promote patient safety and patient outcomes, as well as proving that you are a great nurse manager. With some skills, you are able to show some great communication skills, as well as be a great team player, manage your time, as well as having confidence. One of the first things that you need to do is actually, with your staff, you need to communicate clearly. Communication is a detrimental aspect within the nursing environment. You have multiple team players within the actual team that you are communicating to. You have interdisciplinary departments like radiology and other departments that you do need to communicate to. In the emergency room, I do communicate to my radiology, my cardiopulmonary, as well as my techs, my unit secretaries, and my nurse manager. So I'm able to communicate clearly to all of my staff. You must communicate clearly in order to promote patient safety and outcomes. If you cannot promote any kind of patient safety and outcomes with using what we use as an S-bar communication. So we use it, which is situation, background, assessment, and recommendation. This tells other staff within other departments how to take care of your patient. This also helps a nurse, especially a newer nurse, to communicate clearly and be able to communicate what is needed for that patient to other staff members. You must demonstrate time management. Time management is huge, especially in an emergency room. I am required to work fastly and efficiently with all my patients, but still maintain patient safety. Without time management, you are not able to communicate and get the patient to a healthier state. Within any kind of nursing role, you must lead by example. Leading by example can only help improve your leadership skills. You must demonstrate the confidence when you lead by example. With me, I have a tech underneath of me that I must communicate my needs to. I do delegate tasks to them, and I am able to tell them what to do and how to do it, and I assure that they know how to do it confidently before I relinquish that task to them. As a nurse, you must manage everyone underneath of you, which can be very hard to do. So that's how you have to demonstrate confidence. You have to be able to demonstrate that you are great at that skill as well. And if they are not good at that skill, it requires teaching. Teaching your staff can only help benefit you as well as the patient. If you teach, that also shows that you're a great leader and willing to help others learn. By helping your team learn can only help make your team get stronger, as well as make you a better team player. You must have confidence. As the emergency room nurse, I am required to actually take care of patients that are in a critical situation. If I didn't have confidence, I would not be able to take care of that patient safely. So as a nurse and in being a leader for your team as well as your patient, you must have confidence and be able to go up and say, I can do this. I am going to take care of my patient safely, and I'm going to do it great. Using my team, though, you can't just go in there and have an eye effect. Everything that you do as a nurse and a nurse leader must be within the team. You have to manage your time, communicate your skills, and other skills that are needed from your other team members to be able to make this process complete, as well as have confidence. You show confidence, and most of all, you should identify yourself as a leader. If you can identify yourself as a leader and show confidence, there would be any great team player, as well as great patient safety and outcomes. Thanks for listening.